Namaskar everyone. Welcome to day 5 of the series of short videos, one Excel formula a day. Today we're gonna be learning about slicer, right? First of all, we need to select our table and convert it into the table. We need to select the data and convert it into the table. Click OK. And the shortcut to do this is Ctrl plus T. We selected the table and then hit Ctrl plus T. The data will be converted into the table. Now to check slicers features, slicers utility, I am once again selecting the data. Then I go to insert. Slicer is available under insert tab, and then over here I find slicer. I click on slicer, so I can now slice this information, this data on multiple in a multiple way. I want to have two slicers, say one on student name and another on subject. Now the moment I click over there, I have two slicers available over here. I'm placing it just next to this. Now here you can click any name, click any subject, and the data will get sliced. Now see, it is very easy, and with the help of control you can select multiple names, multiple fields. So similar for here also, with control you can select multiple fields. Now this is very useful. Say if you want to compare, say how many marks Anga, Vinash and Ekansh have scored in maths. So see maths marks, their mark, subject, their admission number and their name. And similarly, if you want to see how many marks Ranjit has scored in these three subjects. So this is very easy and yet very helpful. And remember, slicers work with tables and pivot tables. Slicers, they are not available with the filters and slicers are not you can't do that. Slicers can be used with tables or pivot tables. Thank you. I hope you learned something new and you are enjoying this series. Keep sharing the videos and meet you on day 6. Till then, take care. Bye bye.